Hi guys and welcome back po to Taro Page Philippines. This video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope for October 20 to 26 para po sa may mga sun, moon, at rising sign na Sagittarius. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, and share. At kung hindi nyo po alam yung sun, moon, at rising sign nyo, importante kasi siya. Sa end of the video, we have a link for this. Readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. And dito tayo sa Idilika. So, by the way, for those kung kailangan po ng magpa-schedule ng private readings or spellworks or mag-donate using GCash Maya, the number or the details are in the bottom of the screen, in the description. Or pwede pong gamitin yung thanks button sa baba. Sagittarius, how are you? So we have here is the Page of Wands. So, for the nonchalant muna tayo. Andun kasi na alam mo, madami kang kailangan gawin. Alam mo na madami kang tina-target. And andun yung point na a lot of your plans in terms of your own personal expansion is nagsisimula na. So this card is actually saying na okay lang na mag-detach ka for the meantime. Palayo sa mga tao. Kasi, wala naman, ano yung point na sabihin lang natin na wala naman ambag yung mga nangyayari. Wala din ambag sa'yo yung mga taong to. So, detaching yourself from them should be very easy. Andoon na, wag mong sayangin yung oras mo. Kasi kung i-compare naman natin, Sagittarius, ano ba yung naibigay mo versus naibigay nila? Parang ganito. Para kang nagbayad ng 1,000 tapos sinuklian ka ng 2 pesos. Ayun. Ganun kalaki yung difference. That's how, sorry sa term, that's how they are not worth it na pagsayangan mo pa ng oras. So, what's your crossing? Okay. We have here is the King of Pentacles. So, meron pa din part of you na, siguro iba sa inyo sabihin na, kasi may pinagsamahan din naman kami, baka kasi along the way, may kailanganin ako. Okay, understandable. Actually, napaka-matured na approach nun. Pero, sagutin natin siya in your own experience. Balikan mo sa past. Meron ba talaga silang naging ambag sa'yo? Or ikaw yung mas madaming naibigay sa kanila? So, medyo, naman na, you need to balance it. Huwag lang masyadong magpa-project ka into the future. Andoon na, you also learn from the past. Sa mga nanggaling sa BPO, at especially mga nagtrabaho as workforce analyst, may tinatawag doon na yung forecasting. Based doon sa mga nangyari na dati or historical data, gumagawa ang workforce team ng possible schedules kung ilang ang taong kailangan. Same thing with you. Use those, mag-forecast ka na using the same experience na meron ka sa mga taong ito. And magugulat ka. Pag binalikan mo, you'll find out na anday mo palang in-invest na resources, time, and at the end of the day, hindi na value ng mga taong to. So, moving on na tayo, okay? So, yung desire card mo is nagluluto. We have here is the Page of Pentacles. Minsan yung point, although you're the house of philosophy talaga and travel, pero a lot of times, andun yung tina-target mo is the simplicity of life. Kasi, parang doon mo nakikita yung contentment mo right now. Doon mo nakikita yung, doon papunta yung path mo, that you are doing what is making you happy in the simplest things as well. Now, the card is also advising na walang masama. Kasi minsan kaya nga nandun tayo sa part ng may mga pinapa-evaluate na sa yung mga tao eh. Kasi nga, you're targeting simplicity din. Kasi ta-target ka ng, kumbaga sa showbiz, alat sa na showbiz. Parang ganun. Now, yung foundation mo kasi, we have here is the 10 of Cups. Okay, understandable. So, a lot of you in the replacement ng Sagittarius, siguro kaya naging ganun na you are still valuing yung mga tao at nagiging sa bulag-bulagan tayo sa kanila sa mga ginagawa nila is because andoon yung point na tayo mismo nakaranas tayo how to be alone. nagkaroon ka ng moment na parang hindi mo alam kung meron ka pa bang family or binavalue ka ba ng family mo. So, ano yung point na ayaw mo namang maging katulad nila, so you tried to do the opposite. Minsan nga lang, hindi nga minsan madalas nga lang, marami kasing tao, dahil nga selfish ang mga tao, andoon na, hindi nila binavalue yung naibibigay mo or nakakontribute mo or nasi-share mo sa kanila. So, ito yung sinasabi nga ng cards na let them be. It's time for you to be, it's time for you na sarili mo naman yung bigyan mo ng time. And this is also, kaya nga siguro mas gusto mong mas smaller yung circle mo because of those types of people, which is understandable. So in the past, ayan, so we have here the Ten of Swords. So literal, this is andun na a lot of, andun yung hindi mo inaasahan pa ng mga tao na magsasalita against you or sisiraan ka or andoon na gagawa ng kwento about you. Sila pa yung gumawa. Be careful kasi a snake only sheds its skin, but at the end of the day, they are still snakes. So, boundaries will be very important. May mga iba kasi they will try to find ways to reconnect with you. Pero, no, wag mo nang gawin, Sagittarius, kasi tama na yung natuklaw ka dati, tapos it took you some time bago mo natanggal yung venom sa katawan mo. Those people who are kaya alam mo naman siguro itong mga to, nga, akala mo kasi matured sila, mapagkakatiwalaan. When a snake is still a snake. Ang ahas ay ahas. Papaalala ko sa'yo, nagpapalit ng balat ng ahas, pero sa bandang huli, ahas pa rin sila. Now, yung possible future na ikaw we have here is the card of death. Well, in terms of, it will be more focused actually. There will be an opportunity for you to create more money. Andoon na, you will be driven, actually not just by money, but personal, yung personal satisfaction. So, andoon yung point na magkakaroon ka ng moments na, ay, gusto kong mag-ayos ng ganito, or bili kaya ako ng ganitong damit, or should I have, magpaayos kaya ako ng very light. Go. Yun yung, it's the universe actually telling you that yes, yun yung talaga yung energy na kung saan papunta ka. It's about you valuing now yourself, and at the same time, yung ginagamit mo para improve yung sarili mo in terms of your physical, you're also earning it. So, walang problema na kung gagastos sa sarili mo, pinaghirapan mo yun eh. You deserve it, dear. So, kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings, tandaan, you can always subscribe, like, and share for future videos din. But for now, tuloy natin yung readings mo. Your emotional environment we have here is the Two of Wands. Well, yun lang talaga. Huwag ka muna magpakaburo kasi hindi bagay sa'yo. Kasi andun yung point na, again, you're the house of long travels. Andoon na, isa ka siguro sabihin natin na may phrase sila na may nunal sa paa, may nunal sa talampakan because kailangan on the move ka. This is a time that you allow yourself to do a lot of movements. Wala masama. Ito kasi nakatulong para yung emotions mo ma-detoxify. Please do. Kasi hindi makailangan maging extravagant or sobrang gastos eh. Minsan yung mga tipong, may kailangan ko nun from SM na pumunta ng Quiapo, bumili lang ng hopes, bumalik. Yun na. Travel na yun. Ginamit niya lang yun a way para mapakalma yung sarili niya, ma-release niya yung emotions niya in a healthy way. Masarap naman yung hopya. Your emotional environment we have here is the Seven of Cups. Ito na, medyo huwag tayo masyadong magbigay ng mga reactions sa mga sasabihin ng mga tao, yung mga, kasi may iba magsusolicit na sa'yo magsusolicit sa'yo, magkakwento na, uy, alam mo ba, ganto. Tapos, katry nilang kumuha ng opinion mo, kasi nga, they're trying to fight, eventually in the near future yan, they're going to use it against you. My dear, matutunan tayo sa nangyari sa past mo. Hindi dahil minsan nasa level mo na sila, or sometimes ahead na sa'yo, you can give them the trust that they don't deserve. So let's learn from the past, okay? Now, in the possible, ano ba to? Yung hopes and fears mo, we have here is the Six of Wands. So, the Six of Wands is advising na this is a time for you to, actually medyo, you need to celebrate din yung mga achievements mo. There's nothing wrong naman na bigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na to enjoy what you have earned. Yun nga, balik ka kanina, na bigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo to experience your own personal happiness. So, yes, so allow yourself for that because in the near future, we have here the King of Cups. Dude, medyo magkakaroon ng transition ang universe in your behalf at makikita mo yung connection ng emotions mo towards your finances. You will also see yung paano yung heart mo will help to gain more of your finances. Yung mangyayari pa lang itong mga bagay na to, this is just, sabi natin parang stepping stone or prerequisite or training ground mo pa lang. Kasi once na na-master mo to, finances, magiging madali na lang siya on your end. So I hope nakatulong your readings. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. So, again, so maraming salamat sa guitars. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you very soon. Mula po dito sa Ililikhain Baguio. Have a great day, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye!